his friend was, and he was driving his friend's car because his friend was too drunk. They got into an accident.
Can you sit?
His friend died, but because
Sit.
Josh's his name was
Sit.
Brian, because Brian was driving and had a drink.
Go ahead.
He was sentenced to 10 years in prison. And the cop who was at the scene of the accident even testified in his case saying that he wasn't drunk. But because it's the law.
Jazzy, is that my ice cream? Is that my ice cream, Jazzy? Jazzy, is that my ice cream? Jazzy, is that my ice cream? Let me help you turn it over. Jazzy, that's my ice cream. Come here. 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 Let's eat it out here. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Okay, put it down. No, no, no. Eat it here. Eat it right here. No, no, no. Not on the carpet. You can eat it right here. There.